Kay tita at kay lola.
Ano?
Message.
Lola. Tita. Sana sana mamiss nyo kami and protect Lolo in Hillcross. And I wish you always
Ha?
and I wish you do it all over again. Do it all over again.
Ayan na, okay na, okay na.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Lola and Tita, we're on the plane. And remember when we went to Star City. And remember Tito saying, when he called, Tagalog. Lola, Tita, naalala mo na yung nagpunta tayo sa Star City? Tapos yung si Tito, tumawag, di ba? Sabi mo, saan daw pupunta ng 8 waves? Sinabi ko, go straight, then to Main Street. And I wish you had a good time, and good wishes, and good praise.
Nakita mo yung yung toy.
And tapos, meron akong 2 ganto. 2 ganto.
Sino nagbigay sa'yo niyan?
Ganto.
Wait.
Yung mga nagtatrabaho dito.
Ano tawag sa kanila?
The passenger workers.
Hindi. Stewardess.
The Squidward desk.
Stewardess.
The steward desk.
Desk, hindi desk. Stewardess. Desk.
Okay. Desk. Well, si ate, kailan ba tayo ulit pupunta doon?
Ko alam.
Well, I think in 5 years. Well, in 5 years, I'm gonna be 13. I wish it will be 1 year, then I'm gonna be 10. Then I'll be more great. Then I wish we could stay there for 250,000 million years.
Okay.